Hector Molapo. I'm a horticulturist. I'm the manager here for this facility, Rondebult Bird Sanctuary, which is situated corner Van Dyke and Osborne Roads here in Wadeville, sorry. The facility is open for public. People come visit here, even students who are doing their researches. They also come here to do their researches, even environmentalists. We also got people booking the facilities just to come and have fun here. They can have their brides, but that has stopped for now with the lockdown things and everything. But we used to have people booking the facility to have their meetings, to have their bride, to have their end of year functions and all that. But most importantly, the students who are doing their researches, especially students who are in the environmental field, they come here to do their research to check what type species birds we've got. We also got animals, and there's also a dam. Those who are doing water, what things they come here for the water. Encourage people to come, but I've already said that.